Hi. So now let us see, after understanding the select clause, very important thing, and in many places it is going to help you a lot. That is the distinct command action. So distinct keyword. So it is not a big thing actually, as name implies. Distinct means unique. Okay. So how many unique things are there? So not duplicate actually. So for example, here if you take a job, how many types of jobs are there? So clerk is one type of job, salesman is one type of job, manager is one type of job, analyst, president, these things only. So we, of course, here clerk is repeated, salesman is repeated, manager is repeated, but we need all these distinct values actually. So when you have a such a kind of requirement, you can go for the distinct. Okay. So how to use it? Let us see syntax wise and with example actually. So that is very simple one. So here if you see, the select distinct statement is used to return the only distinct values actually. Okay. So it will eliminate the duplicate values. So for each category, it will return one value. So clerk many times are there, but only one time it will return. Salesman is many times is there, only one time it will return actually. So that's it. So here if you see, select distinct, and then with what all combinations you need actually. Those columns you have to mention here, and then from the table. Okay. So just for example, if you see, select a distinct job from EMP. So here you just mention only one column. So that means under this column, it will first take all the values, and it will eliminate the duplicates. Only unique values it will return actually. So output, if you observe here, you can see clerk, salesman, manager, analyst, and president. So let us observe quickly same thing in the query also. So here if you see, we have already data here, so that you can observe. So here under job, you can observe that clerk, salesman, manager, everybody is there. Now what we will do is here, we will use the distinct command actually. So select, you can use any case actually, that means either small or big, command wise there is no problem. So distinct, so the moment keyword, it's became a blue colored actually. Then we want to distinct values under job only, then from EMP table. Now if I run this query, what is going to happen? Under job, it must return unique values actually. So that you can observe: clerk, salesman, manager, analyst, president. Only these 5 types are there. So for such a kind of requirements, you can use the distinct command actually. So if you see again, what we will do is, now you see, what we will do, we will try to combine other columns also. So that is what you can see here. So I'm just combining job comma MGR. So what if you don't, if you have more than one column after distinct command? Okay. So after distinct command, how many columns you have? All those columns combination it will take actually. So that is what you can observe here. So clerk 7902 one combination, but here also clerk there, but 7902 is not exist. So every row is unique actually. That is what you have to observe. Maybe individually column values are repeated, but together those are the unique combinations. Got it or not? So that is very important understanding actually. Sometimes more than one column you can use it based on the requirement. So that is what you can observe here. So here I am just adding along with the job manager also. So MGR. Now if I run this one, what is going to happen? You can see. So clerk 7902, and here that combination you don't have, but clerk is repeated, and of course MGR not repeated. Okay, but still both of them, both together you must see as a unique action. Okay, so in this way, based on the requirement, if you need some time to distinct values, then how many columns you have to use, basing on that you can use distinct command in this way actually. Okay,